Hello everyone, so in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to create an Instagram automation in make.com. So step 1 would be to create a scenario. Once you're logged into make.com, click on the create new scenario on the top right part of the screen. It should be right here. And then step 2 is to add a module. So I said add an Instagram module, so you go click on plus and then search, then Instagram for business, and then pick an action, for example a post or watch media. Step 3 would be to connect your account, so click add, then log into your Facebook, and then grant access to your Instagram business. So if you're wondering why it says Facebook, Facebook and Instagram are under the same company, which is Meta, and they also own Facebook and Instagram. Step 4, add trigger or action, so you can choose a trigger, for example a new post or action. So for example, once somebody posts something, you can set it to auto comment or auto publish. Step 5 would be set filters and conditions, so click the lines between the modules and add filters if needed. So for example, keywords or hashtags. So for example, if you don't add this, every single post will your automation will always comment something on every post. So for example, you automated it to auto comment on a post. However, if you didn't set any filters or keywords, it will automatically post on everything that they see, any new post that they see. So to prevent that, you need to add filters. So for example, keywords. So for example, somebody posted something related to cars, so it will only comment on things or posts that have the word cars in them. Okay, and then test scenario, click on run once, and then make sure it works. And then step 7, lastly, is to schedule the animation. Click on the icon, set it to run automatically, interval, or in real time. And that is it. That is how you create an Instagram automation in make.com. So if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.